Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a complete troubleshooting process to permanently fix those annoying Fortnite crashes on your PC. We're going to start with the absolute most common culprit by opening up your Epic Games launcher. Navigate straight over to your library, locate the Fortnite tile, click on the three small dots right beneath it, and then select Manage, followed by Verify Files. This forces the launcher to thoroughly scan every single game file, instantly repairing or replacing anything that got corrupted during a recent update. While that run is processing in the background, we need to focus heavily on your hardware communication. Go ahead and right-click your Start menu to open up the Device Manager, expand your Display Adapter section, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Alternatively, you can open up GeForce Experience or the AMD software app to perform a clean installation of the absolute latest game-ready drivers. Next up, we want to clear out temporary clutter by pressing the Windows key and R together on your keyboard, typing %localappdata% into the run box and hitting Enter. From this massive list of folders, locate the one named Fortnite Game. Open it up, navigate into Saved, and safely delete the entire config folder to reset any broken settings. Finally, you want to make sure your system is giving the game maximum resources. So open up your system settings, search for Graphics Settings, ensure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is toggled on, and set Fortnite to High Performance Mode before restarting your PC.